Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the PUMA Mirage Mox MICHAEL LAU. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. And if you want to, show some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way. Let's get into it. So today we have a look at the PUMA MICHAEL LAU, and it's the Mirage Mox. And we got this in the PUMA white. It's a UK 7.5, European 41, and it's US 8.5. And let's have a look at this box design first. So that's really dope. It's in regards to MICHAEL LAU, he is a Hong Kong based artist and he's known as the godfather of collectible toys. So he designs a lot of those figurines that are very much like a bear brick. It's very cult following and they're really nice actually. And they've got an urban twist and he incorporates a lot of American culture and hip hop and sports. So it's worth a look. So you can see some of his doodles here, just at the corner. And it just incorporates, it looks like it's a work in progress from an artist. So even when you open it up, you've got a lot of his doodles, a lot of his artwork incorporated in the wrapping paper. And let's have a look. And here it is, the Mirage Mox. So let us start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all-rubber outsole. You got a PUMA logo at the middle there. It's there for your traction and durability. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So this midsole unit is made out of PUMA's EVA, and it's just the foam. It's an EVA foam. There for your comfortability and your support. You got this plastic heel clip. Again, it's there to sustain. It's there for your foundations and just keep you upright. The whole design actually of the sneaker, when we look at the upper, is similar to a work in progress from any artist. He's incorporated graph paper, but to, you know, our British fans, obviously we are from the UK, this reminds me of maths work. Well, our maths workbooks, if you grew up in the UK, they were essentially graph paper. I don't know if that was how it was in the US, but let us know, drop some love in the comment section below. I just want to see what you guys worked on maths. Moving away from maths, obviously MICHAEL LAU is a street artist, and unfortunately, I don't really see a lot of his art incorporated. There's this big, thick line here, and that's about it really. But what the design and the whole patterning of the sneaker that's incorporated on the leather overlays that's here, where you can see the graph paper, it's there for every artist who probably has had writer's block or whatever, and it's just there as little doodles, and it's just there to represent the work in progress. We look at the midsole again, and you do have MICHAEL LAU's imprint on signature there, just above where I said with a plastic heel clip, there's the PUMA lettering here. We look at that toe box, so that toe box is mesh. So the whole upper is a blend of leather uppers and nylon underlays. So you can see the mesh underneath, nylon, and where the graph paper, as I mentioned before, that is the leather overlays. Nice lace enclosure with thick round laces. The tongue nicely padded, and it's a nylon, and you've got for free thinkers. So everyone, you know, I think you need to enable to be a free thinker these days. Looking at the ankle support, so you've got a green nylon there. It's all textile materials. The insole as well, so you can see the PUMA logo and MICHAEL LAU's signature, and it says "Look See" on both. Moving along onto the heel unit, so that heel unit is a blend of materials again. You got your plastics, you got your textiles here at the collar. Moving down, you got the leathers, and there's a little window of textile material here also. That rounds off my review, guys. I'm a big fan of these sneakers. Really, they remind me of vintage runners. They remind me of the classic Reeboks because of the shape and the silhouette. It just looks like a classic Reebok, but we've been looking at loads of Pumas here at Oneupreviewz, so it's got that vintage feel. They like to incorporate a dad sneaker vibe, and we at Oneupreviewz dig it. So roll that footage of me trying these bad boys on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Puma fit. These are bang on, perfect fit for me. My toes are where they need to be, just over there. And believe it or not, these are really comfortable on. I recommend if you get a chance to try on if you ever get the chance to buy a pair of the Mirage Mocs, they're really comfortable. And I do recommend, again, get your true to size Puma fit. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.